Hey, come along and check out Cliffhanger with us here on MSC World America. 20 stories above the water. Are you brave enough to get on this thing? Well, we were, and we got a great point of view thanks to Carrie's meta glasses.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I want to visit. Are you alive?
Okay, I don't like this now. Holy shit.
I don't know about on the sea day.
Oh, wow. Look down.
No.
This is cool, though. Oh, God, it's getting higher. Not me holding on for dear life.
No?
Not at all. I hope this video doesn't have audio. Someone's be like, we're so tough. We didn't get her scared at all.
About twice about the shoes.
I know, but I don't have any other closed-toed shoes, and I thought you'd need them for this.